At Dwight School Hanoi, our Spark programs are designed to ignite curiosity, confidence, and connection. They offer enriching opportunities in academics, athletics, the arts, and personal development, while supporting a smooth transition into our school community. As part of our Pathways to Dwight, our early admissions initiative, Spark programs introduce families to Dwight's personalized approach to learning, our strong sense of community, and our global vision. From Manchester City football school clinics that promote athletic growth and emotional development, to Summer at Dwight programs that extend academics and open doors to the arts. Spark programs help students discover their passions and begin their journey to ignite their spark of genius.
The Pathways to Dwight program offers early access to the Manchester City programs here at Dwight School Hanoi. This might be our weekend clinics, our Easter camp, or other activities we put on across the course of the academic year. The Manchester City program here at Dwight develops the whole child holistically in all areas, especially teamwork, resilience, and building confidence. All things that are valuable inside and outside of the classroom.
Summer at Dwight is a part of our Spark program at Dwight School Hanoi, especially designed for students who are considering or planning to join our school. This program allows students to participate in a 2 or 4 weeks program, experience what learning at Dwight is truly like. The students study on our beautiful campus using our state-of-the-art facilities. They are taught by Dwight School teachers, not external instructors, which allow them experience our excellent teaching approach firsthand. They also learn and connect with our current Dwight School students, building friendship and confidence in a real school environment. By the time school year starts, students feel prepared, comfortable, and excited to begin their journey at Dwight School Hanoi.
I did a lot of science experiments with my friends in my group at Summer at Dwight, and my favorite one to do was elephant toothpaste. I learned how to collaborate with other people in big and small groups and sharing our ideas. I liked everything, but my favorite moment was doing the drama show with all my friends and in front of my parents.
I enjoyed designing and experimenting with the 3D printer and meeting and making new friends in camp. We made our own board games from scratch, and we also used a laser cutter. And I also had to design a lot of things in Canva to make. And I wrote instructions and presented to our parents and some students.